Hi everyone, welcome back to How Logical. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into Forever 21 credit card account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser first and in the search box at the top type in Forever 21 credit card login and press enter. In the search result that appears on the next page, choose this first link that says Manage Your Account Community. If you click on that, you'll be taken to a next page. Here, you can go ahead and manage your credit card account by securely accessing to your account information. Go ahead and click on the Sign In button at the top of the screen, and this will bring up your login area. Start by entering your username in the first text box, and then head over to the password field and type in your password correct. Double check your password by clicking on the show link or this little eye icon at the right side. If you'd like the system to remember your username, you can click on this Remember Me box, but if you are using a public device or a shared mobile device, make sure to leave this box unchecked before moving on. In case you don't remember your username or your password, you can click on this link that says Forgot Username/Password and follow the instructions to either look for your username or to reset to a new password. After entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button and you'll be logged into your Forever 21 credit card account. You can review your account balances, make payments, monitor your recent transactions, or view your monthly statements with your account. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.